Oh, princess! Give me food! Give me food! Give me food!
I'm not going to
Come in.
Good day, my prince.
Good evening, Eve. How are you?
Very well, my prince. I came to tell you that lunch is ready.
Okay, I'll join them soon, okay?
Okay, my prince.
One more thing. For some couple of days now, I haven't seen your mom. Is she okay?
My prince, she's not feeling too fine.
So sad. So sorry about that. It's okay. I'll check up on her later.
Okay, my prince. Thank you so much. I'll be over there.
Tell the king I'll be with them shortly.
Okay, my prince. My king, the prince said he would join you shortly.
Alright.
Is he sleeping? No, my queen. He was busy with his phone. But he said he will be here shortly. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry for keeping my family waiting. Good day, father. Oh.
So what's that you saw?
Mom, I was actually ready for my exams, okay?
Son, you have to take it easy on yourself. Give yourself some space.
Come on, Mom. I have a serious exams coming up, okay? If I don't read, how do you want me to pass?
Mama, you told you. But I said he wants to win the Guinness World Record.
Wow.
And the gods of Amazel will surely grant that your wish.
You see, even at that, you need to give yourself some breathing space. It's your brain we're talking about here. Mom, please allow Brother Romeo to study really hard. Because if he fails, he's not going to travel overseas again.
May the gods of Amazel forbid.
Look, sir. What your mother is saying is that in as much as you have to prepare her to pass, you should also create time for yourself to rest. Okay?
It's okay, Father. I've heard you.
Long live the king and queen of Mercy Kenneth. My prince, the items are ready now.
Oh, okay. I'll join you shortly, okay?
Thank you, my prince.
So what's the matter?
Mom, I'm sorry I didn't tell you. I need to visit the orphanage again.
Orphanage?
Yes.
Brother, I thought you visited the orphanage last month.
Sonia, haven't you been eating since last month?
Oh, don't mind her. Listen, these people really need us at this point in time. Yeah. Considering the situation at hand, the country is not nice anymore. People need to visit them daily, okay? They need to eat.
You're right, though.
Daily?
Anyone there?
Daily impossible.
Anyone there?
I can see that you are really enjoying the food.
Mama, it's not a question of anything now. It's your cooking.
Top notch. I'm glad you like it.
Clifford! You know, it's amazing that he manages to time exactly when food is ready.
Monetary spirit, they say.
Mama, it's not fun.
Give me food! Give me food! Give me rice! Give me stew! Give me salad! Chicken! Nkwabi! Ifewu!
You are even spoiled for choice. You now have the right to request what you want.
Mark, let him be.
Mama, it's over to you.
Of course, I'll give him food.
Madman, give me food! Food! Mama, go. Don't worry, I'll give you. Hey! Mama, food! Brother, go.
Okay, yeah, it's okay. Don't worry, Mama will bring food for you.
Go.
Hey!
Chicken!
Oh. Who did this?
Now that madman who they call Clifford.
Clifford? Clifford did this?
Yes, sir. And trust Princess Sonia. He beat her, slap her, kick him, any caster, he give him. That be small.
What?
I believe small say he face go down the red. For where they now?
You mean Sonia slapped Clifford?
I said don't be small slapper, beat him, both kicking everything today.
Go back.
Sonia! Huh? How dare you? Why did you beat the madman? I am talking to you! Why did you beat the madman?
But that's because I've warned him several times I don't see him in this palace. I mean, this is a palace, not a rehab. People that should be seen here are people of our calibers and not some users.
Are you mad?
What do you mean?
Are you mad or something? A madman you're supposed to be helping, you're beating him up? What is wrong with you?
Wait, brother, you hit me because I cautioned that dirty thing.
And I will hit you again and again if you do not stop this rubbish. Come again!
No, just let her.
Are you working out on me? Are you? Now let this be the first and the last time you ever hit anyone in this palace again. Get out of my sight. Get out!
Just let her be, alright? I'll talk to her.
I mean, what is wrong with her? Is that how she treats people?
I will talk to her. It will not happen again. Please.
Better do. Because the next time she tries this, I will skin her alive. And I mean it.
Come back here. Is it not you I'm talking to? Why are you working out on me? Are you insane? I mean, why did you slap her?
Mom, I just don't get it. Okay, I am sorry I walked out on you, but why are you doing this? Why are you asking me this? Oh, don't I have the right to caution my own younger sister?
I didn't say you don't have the right to do that, but you should do it at the right time, not because of a crazy man. Why should you? You slapped your own sister because of him? Next time you do that, and make sure you get it hard from me. I am not joking. Neither am I meeting words.
Really?
Let's go in.
Mom, is that all you can say? Did you hear that? Oh, Mom is really spoiling me. Mom! Mom!
Wait.
So, how are you?
I'm fine.
That reminds me, have you heard from any of our mates?
Oh, yes. I heard from Barnabas recently.
Barnabas?
Yes, he just got a job with an oil company.
Oh, okay. I'm not surprised. One of his uncles works with Jet Oil and Gas Company. Yes, so I'm not surprised he's doing well.
That's great.
What about you? Did you submit the application you told me about?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I'm still yet to hear from them.
Don't worry, dear. All you need to do is to be prayerful and be consistent. Okay? It will work out for you.
Yeah. So good.
Princess! Princess! Go, go, go!
Sorry.
It's okay. It's fine.
Clifford, what is wrong with you? You're embarrassing my guest.
Princess! Go, go, go!
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. He does this all the time.
It's fine. It's okay. It's fine.
Clifford, what do you want again?
Food!
You want food?
Princess! Go, go!
Wait.
Go!
Just take this, buy food. There's no food in the house now, so you can buy food, okay? You can buy food.
Princess!
Yeah.
Go!
Please give me some money in the car. Please. Okay?
That's my princess. You'll give you more money.
Clifford, go to the car.
I'll give you more money.
Princess, you do go.
Wow. This guy is so funny.
Give me food! Give me money! Give me money! Give me money!
This guy is so funny.
It is funny. It's hilarious. I'm sorry about the
No.
spillage.
It's fine. It's okay.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Maybe I should get Mama. You want to see her?
Yes. Maybe when I'm leaving.
Okay.
Yes. Who was actually go.
My princess.
Hi.
Greetings, my princess.
Are you from this community?
Yes, I am a princess. Mark.
Mark. Okay. Mark, where are you headed?
I'm on my way to the park, just waiting for a bike.
Okay. If you don't mind, why don't you help me let me drop you off?
Do you want to drop me off?
If not that this Clifford is a madman, I would have said this cook is in love with him or something.
So, the way she plays her role around that madman, she's quite annoying.
Wait. You girls don't know the game this girl is playing.
She's doing all these things so that the prince will like her.
Exactly.
She knows the prince likes the madman. So she's doing this probably to win his heart. You know?
She will never.
Prince Romeo that I know can never notice that.
Never.
He hasn't noticed us. Sexy mates of Ame is the community.
You can't be cook.
Dirty girl.
You are for that
and
now.
See. Yeah, if.
Aya, come.
Hey!
What carry yourself on here.
Stand well. We saw you with a plate of food. Who did you give it to? Answer the question.
Oh, I gave it to Clifford. Is that why you stopped me?
Hey!
See why?
Busy body. Nkitara, what are you even feeling like?
I don't understand you. What do you mean by what am I feeling like?
Wait, you just asked me a question. Yes. Did you just ask me that question?
Yes, I have to ask you because I don't know where you're driving at.
Why are you doing all these things? You took food, royal food to Clifford. Food that is meant for the king and his family.
Whoa.
Even us, royal maid of Amaze community. Or am I not speaking our mind? No! What is wrong with you? Is something wrong with your head? Answer me! Wasted effort. That is what you're going to call that in the future. Keep fooling yourself.
Well, I'm not trying to prove any points. I'm not.
Hey!
Are you mad?
Who asked you to walk out?
So you girls prefer I give the food to the dogs?
Yes.
Instead of a human? Clifford.
Give it to the dogs.
It's better you give it to the dogs.
Give! Oh yeah. Out. How did I help you do it? Stupid girl.
I don't have you people's time.
Dirty pig.
Look at her.
She's trying to make the pig like her. Pretender.
This will not like you.
Look at her.
I don't blame her.
Let me try.
Please, come on.
Mark, seriously,
Are you
let me
being
try.
serious right now? Go and sit down.
Let me just try. Okay?
Come on. Go and sit down.
Okay. Fine. Princess of our land. Greetings, Princess of our land. Greetings, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Hey, my princess. Ma? This one that you are here, please, I don't want anything to bite you.
Mama, as long as that thing will bite Mark also, I don't have problem with that.
But I'm used to it now.
Of course you are
used to it.
Hey, my daughter, what I was trying to say in essence is, this is farmland. You are not used to this kind of thing.
Mama, you're sounding as if I was born in the city.
What?
Yes. What do you mean brought food for you? Oh, she brought food for us. Mama, thank you.
Really well?
Yes.
Okay. Of course, I brought food for both of you.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, my daughter. Okay? You can both start eating the food while I continue with the
No.
You don't want to do anything. Right.
Let me have some now. My own food. Really now? My own food.
Your food. I've been here with you. I've been working with you.
You've been...
Sitting here is stressful. You don't know.
Thanks for the compliment today.
You're welcome.
I actually, did a little extra today.
Why?
I don't know, your presence. It just, it did something to me. I kept going and going.
It's okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
So when am I seeing you again?
Well, that's fine. Anytime I could come to the palace.
Come to the palace? For no reason?
It's fine. I'm here. I'm available here. It's okay.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright.
Everyone around you, nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. But so do good, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be for my, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in the mago, looking up here. It is good to be good.
How dare you beat up your wife? Are you not aware it is a taboo for a man from this kingdom to beat his wife? Are you not aware? Your wife asked you for money to cook for the children. Instead of giving it to her, you beat her. Are you not supposed to give her money to cook for the children before going out? Answer me! Stop looking at me like that.
Romeo, it's alright. Okay? Calm down.
I'm sorry, Father.
That's fine. Chukuma, I just called you. And if I call you, you answer.
Yes, my king.
Chukuma, after beating your wife, did you eventually give her the money?
No, my king.
Why? Why didn't you give her the money?
I don't have the money. I told her that I don't have, and she blocked my way.
Wow.
And the only thing that came to your mind was to beat her.
Blessing. Yes. Why did you block your husband's way? Do you really think he had the money and he refused to give it to you?
Yes, my king. He has the money, but he refused to give it to me.
So I don't have the money. I told her that the only money that is with me is this 500 naira. And I want to use it for transport. If I didn't go to work, we'll all starve.
Sorry, sit down. Chukwuma. This is the last time you will lay your hands on your wife. Is that understood?
Yes, my king.
You don't have to show that you are powerful by beating a woman. Okay? And Blessing.
Yes, my king.
Don't ever block your husband again.
Okay.
When a man is walking away, it means he's trying to create harmony. Alright? If you ask your husband for something and he does not provide it, find a way as a woman. Perhaps he might even go and borrow. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Guard!
Yes, my king.
Go to the package store. I'll bring a bag of rice. Give it to them. Okay?
Yes, my king.
Hey. Thank you, my king. Thank you, my king. Thank you, my king.
My king.
And Romeo?
Yes, Father.
Go to my bedroom and bring 50,000 naira for them.
It's okay, Father.
Igwe.
Right away, Father.
Thank you, my king.
Thank you, my king. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my king.
It's okay. You can sit.
And as I was saying, beating your wife does not show how strong you are. Okay? Don't display your masculine nature by beating your wife. Don't ever beat your wife. And you, be subservient to your husband. Find a very loving way to collect something from him. You know what I mean? So you take her, give it to them. Okay, Father. So with that, you can take care of the pot of soup.
And by the way, woman, what do you do for a living? What? Nothing. So you sit at home doing nothing all day? Is that it?
Yes, my prince.
You're doing nothing. What if I want to offer you a job now? What kind of job can I give to you? Did you learn anything? Handwork or something?
No, my king.
My king, I think she meant to say that she stays at home to look after her children.
Oh, come on, mother. Don't even support her on this. That doesn't mean she should sit at home doing nothing all day.
It's alright. Just use the money to prepare a very nice meal for your husband, okay?
Is it not better I pay my parents to fight so that one shall come and report the other here so that they can be giving this kind for this man and the woman we are giving? Why are you guys laughing?
Do you think it's everyone that comes here to report such issues are being given this kind of privileges?
But that man is wicked man. Eh? Look at what he did to his wife. Just because she refused to allow him go out without performing his responsibilities.
His responsibilities. So not that she's even wrong in what she did.
Some women are in hell.
I did tell you.
Such thing cannot happen to me. How can a man I called my husband raise his hand on me? Took more of beating me to that man.
I swear, some women, they don't know their onions.
You have said it all. Someone like me, I will never agree. We must fight till we kill ourselves. He's mad.
Another thing is that we women don't get to know when our husbands are telling us the truth. If not, that woman would have known when the husband has and when he does not have.
They made it so. They made women lose their trust in them. Jay, God, I beg you. Don't give me a husband that will even back at me. Talk more of beating me to that extent.
Me, if you beat me,
I'll just die.
Can you stand up to a man's strength?
That man is very lucky. You mean that man will carry Motakon Palace? That man, huh? Instead, they no go report that matter to Igwe. You know, say as he beat his wife, oh, injury free body anyhow. No be smoking, you won't kill the wife. I'm telling you, you know, our ladies nowadays are dying in the name of marriage. When I see the man later on, go see him Prince Romeo. It be like say Prince Romeo won't help that family. Because the way I tell they say they come palace, it be like say Prince Romeo won't help the family.
You know this thing where you think talk now, I don't the reason now.
Okay.
You know,
I don't believe me the reason.
I have thought about it because the way I'm seeing that man and Prince Romeo, I say to myself that Prince Romeo must help the man.
How do I see for the matter?
I'm telling you, because Prince Romeo, where I know, na good man he be, na good man. You know if you see that man go.
Jesus!
Give me food! Give me food.
Wait, because of food, you steal me! Right? Because of food! Are you stupid? Are you mad? Idiots! Next time you try this again, you see what I'll do to you. It's obvious you are mad. Fool.
Pamela,
How are you? I'm fine. What happened to your girl? Is it not that idiot called Clifford? He saw me at the gate and touched me.
Oh, is he still at the gate?
Never mind, he has gone.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry about that, okay?
It's okay. Is your brother in?
No, they went out. My father sent him on an errand.
Okay.
So sorry about this. So Clifford did this to you?
Look at what he did to me.
So sorry about that.
You people should not allow him come close to the gate again. What if he was someone coming to see the king that got this thing? What would be the outcome?
You know you're very correct. But on the second thought, is it not better whenever he comes, we just give him whatever he wants, then he leaves?
If you do it that way, he will continue coming to these gates. That's how mad people behave.
Okay, it's fine. Let's clean you up.
Never mind.
No, we have to.
Maid! I'm going to miss you so much.
Come on, I'm going to miss you too, okay? But I'm only going for studies abroad for 2 years. I'll be back before you know it.
2 years?
Yes.
2 years is too long to stay without you.
Come on.
Look, why not get me pregnant before you leave?
Come on. You can't be that serious, are you?
I am.
You mean you can't wait for 2 years? Is that it?
I can wait for 2 years. But it's just that I want to spend the rest of my life with you. That's why I want you to get me pregnant before we leave.
If that's what you want, I'll do that for you.
You promise?
It's a promise, okay? But that will be before I leave, okay?
No. I want it now. I want to get pregnant before you leave.
So fast?
Yeah, so fast. I want it now.
Okay. Sure.
Brother Romeo, how long will you be staying? Will you be staying for 2 years or more?
I don't know, it all depends. Okay, well, I think I'll be done in 2 years' time.
Okay.
Chelsea, I know why you're here. And I am not condescending to whatever plan you and Pamela has made. Okay? I have told her it's not going to work, and that's it.
Why is it not going to work?
Because I'm going there to study and not to play. I want to focus.
Brother Romeo, how does getting Pamela pregnant stop you from studying?
Yes, it will, okay? Can't you say it? That girl is trying to trap me down.
Really?
Yes!
I don't need to remind you that she cannot wait for you forever.
I mean, getting her pregnant is not a do or die affair. If she can't wait, she should move ahead with her life. That's it.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Listen, Chelsea, I am not caught up with all this right now, okay? Please, I have made up my mind and that is final.
Okay. Are you sure you don't want
Oh, jeez! Chelsea!
Sorry!
My love. Yes, I am actually in the palace. Yes. Let me call you back. Hey! What's that?
Put in my place.
Eve, what is this?
It's a leftover food, my prince.
Actually left food untouched in this... Are you mad?
No, my prince, it's not me.
Who did this?
Princess Sonia, my prince.
Princess Sonia?
Yes, my prince.
Why would she leave food untouched?
I have no idea, my prince.
She would have just said she's not hungry. For you to have served this much.
I don't know why, my prince.
Go. Mother, come with me. Go. Come and sit. Hey, where's that food? Can you see that?
What?
Have you seen what one of your daughters did?
Which of my daughters are you talking about?
Mother, how can you be asking that? Who else? If not your favorite daughter, Sonia.
What? Why would she leave this kind of food untouched?
Mother, that is to show you the height of wickedness in your daughter, Sonia.
This is not fair. Where is she? I don't know. Sonia! 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 Sonia!
My princess. Good day, my princess.
You're very stupid. Who is your princess? And why didn't you knock?
I'm sorry, my princess. Sorry.
Shut up! What did you tell him? Are you deaf?
No, my princess.
What did you tell him?
He asked who left the food, the leftover food. So I told him it was you that.
How dare you? Are you stupid? Huh? So you told him I was the one that left the food on the dining, right?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Come in. Come here! Come in. Come! Kneel now. Kneel down. By the time I'm done dealing with you today, you will know how to talk. Must you call my name? Even if I left the food on the dining, why did you mention my name? Why can't you call someone else? Can't you call Chelsea's name? I'm sorry. Huh? Are you stupid? Rubbish. Come on. I say, I don't want to stress myself right now. I hope you're not hearing that voice.
No, my princess.
Evelyn!
Better. Raise your hands up.
Evelyn!
Okay. Yes.
Evelyn!
What is she doing inside her room with her? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. What are you thinking? I hope Princess Sonia has met with... Don't allow the king to hear this. If king hear you saying ill about Princess Sonia, he's going to behead you. See my armpit up. I don't have any hairs there. My sister, please, so you know the walls have ear. Okay, very good. Let me go back to my duty. I will see you later.
Everyone around you, nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised.
As you travel, may the gods be with you. May your journey from this palace through the airports that you will transit to your final destination be smooth. May you never encounter any problem as you travel. May the gods grant you the wisdom to be able to carry yourself in a manner that will make you achieve what you are going there for. May you come out with flying colors in your studies. The gods of Amazing Kingdom will always be with you. I bless you in the name of the gods. You may rise.
Thank you, Father.
not promised.
So let the celebration begin, Father.
So be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be for my, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in the mako looking up here. It is good to be good.
Oh, Dad. I'll have to leave to the airport now. Thank you. Mom. Miss.
Mr. Goodness. It is good to be good. Oh, my man, it is good to be good. Hey, brother, hey, sister, don't stop doing good. Yeah, oh, me for my baby. Don't you relent, yeah. Maka ukwa loge na pia. Ay, yo. It is good to be good to everyone around you. Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. So do good, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be for my, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in the mako looking up here. It is good to be good. Hey, oh, men, John and Joy and Nana. It is good to be good.
Give me food. Follow here. Give me food. If they come to here, okay, follow here.
Give me food.
I don't think you stay here no be restaurants. Okay.
Give me food.
Princess Sonia.
You again? How many times do I want you to stay for this palace?
You go to
Give me food. You're very stupid.
Sonia, it's okay.
How many times have I warned you not to come to this palace? Are you mad?
Can you just let them?
Does it look like where we train mad people like you?
Sonia, please let
Give me food! Give me food! Get out!
We have food, right? Give him food.
Get out before I do something stupid to you. Now!
Can you just leave him?
Leave this palace now! Okay? You're trying to form stubborn, right? Get me the cane. Yes,
Jesus.
Fast!
Give me food.
Because of you, I bought cane.
Give me food.
Inside. Get me the cane. Let me deal with you. You stink. You see that? I don't want to ever see you in this palace again. Don't come here. I will not warn you. Come here. Please give yourself out of here.
Give me food now.
That food will kill you there. That food will kill you. What are you doing? People are looking at you. Let's go inside.
Why are you embarrassing yourself?
That's what you call it. I don't want to ever see this thing in this palace again. I don't see anywhere close to this gate.
I'll tell him.
Hold this cane, stand there. If he comes, flog him! Flog him! You hear me? Come here! Come here! Stay here. If you come close to this place, flog him! Smelly thing. You stink! I don't want to see you here. I don't want to see you. I don't want to see you here again!
Sonia, it's okay now. Stop stressing yourself.
I don't tell you.
Give him food.
It is good to be good to everyone around you. Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. So do good to us, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be for my or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in my go looking up here. It is good to be good. Oh, my man, my oh, man, John and Joyanna. It is good to be good. Hey, brother, hey, sister, don't stop doing good. Yeah, do me for my baby.
Hey! Sister Rat, come here.
Sonia.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, my princess.
May that greetings twist your mouth. Are you stupid? Sonia. Who is he and what is he doing here?
My princess, he's my classmate back in the days. So he came to visit me.
You're very stupid. Wait, how dare you lie to me? Do I look like a fool to you? Huh? So you brought your boyfriend into this party, so you're lying to me that he's your classmate.
Boyfriend? No, my princess. He's not my boyfriend, he's my
Shut up!
Sonia.
Kneel down.
My princess,
Kneel!
My princess, I'm telling you the truth.
Don't let me repeat myself again.
Sonia, what is wrong with you? Can you stop this already?
And as for you, if you know what is good for you, carry your dirty self out of this place fast! Rubbish! So, what? Stop this. Sonia, will you stop this? Please! Stop it! What's wrong with you?
Sorry, Eve. Just stand up. Stand up. Go back to the kitchen.
Thank you, my princess.
I'm so sorry about that, okay? Sorry.
What was that for? Why would you lay your hands on her? Why will I not lay my hands on her? I mean, I'm the princess of Amazing Community. And I can do whatsoever thing I want to do.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious, sis.
Too overwhelmed that my princess is here.
We're friends, remember?
Yes, we are. Yeah.
Why? Why did you say that?
Nothing really. Can we skip that already?
No. Would you rather you come to the palace?
Yeah, no, that's a no.
You see? That's my sister.
Yeah.
Baby girl, how do you know I'm here? Sonia! Sonia! What's wrong with her?
I don't know, I'm as confused as you are.
Sonia! Sonia, what is going on between you and Mark? Sonia, I'm talking to you. What is going on? You just came to his place and you left. What's happening? Betrayal. A betrayal?
Chelsea, how could you? I trusted you. I confided in you. Is
If you know you were interested in this guy, why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you?
I don't understand. Me interested in who? Listen, Sonia. You are a princess. Fully made with pride. Betrayal. I'm not a betrayer. Why are you saying all
Yes, you are! Because I told you everything. Didn't I?
My princess, greetings. You kept to your promise.
Yes. I told you I was going to pick you up and I maintained it.
I'm glad. I appreciate it.
So how was the interview?
Well, I've done it now. All I can do is just pray and hope.
Don't worry. God will see you through. Let's go. So, there's this guy I met today. He's very handsome and tall.
That's where?
While I was going to the supermarket to pick up a few things, I met him along the road. And guess what?
What?
He's from this community and his name is Mark.
Really?
Yes.
Sonia, the way you're blushing, don't tell me you both have started getting along.
Not really. But I think I like him.
Ah, she likes him. That's it. Why so fast? You just met this guy, I mean.
I know. As I first sighted him, I knew he was the one. Sis, if you see his mode of dressing, this guy is tall, he's gentle, he's quiet, he's handsome. I mean, he's my dream man, and I'm beginning to love him.
You're already in love with him, not you're beginning to love him.
Oh God, sis, you need to meet this guy. I mean, I don't understand. When I told about this guy, why didn't you tell me you knew him?
How in the God's name am I supposed to know that you were talking about the same Mark? How am I supposed to know that?
I mentioned his name, didn't I?
Yes, you did, but there's so many Marks in this community. How am I supposed to know you're talking about the same person, Sonia?
Okay, fine. When he came to this palace, did he ask of me?
My sister, who is feeding you with all these lies?
Did he ask of me when he came to this palace? Yes or no?
Yes. He mentioned your name, but I was the one that invited him.
You invited him?
Yes.
So how come he said he was looking for me when he came to this palace?
Sonia, who is feeding you with all these lies?
Spare me with all this trash you're saying. You're a liar. And now I want to warn you. Stay away from Mark. If you keep on going to see him at his place, you will have me to contend with. I'm serious.
Sonia, listen, we can actually talk about this. I honestly am lost. I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't know. Sonia, I'm still talking to you. Sit down and let's talk about this. Sonia! Could it be that Mark is seeing my sister behind me? No. Let me don't conclude yet.
How did I get myself in this mess?
Sonia, what is it? Why did you scream like that? You had a dream? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What's wrong with you?
How could you? Huh? Why do you want to hurt Mark? Why?
I don't understand.
You wicked, you heartless. So because Mark loves me, you want to take his life. Why are you like that?
Sonia, are you serious? Like you're taking a dream as reality? Is
of course! Dreams are revelations. Yes.
Something is wrong with you. My friend, will you sleep?
Listen. Listen. Stay away from Mark. You're only jealous because Mark and I love each other. Yes, you're jealous. You were jealous. That's why you want to take his life. Has it gotten to that? Has it?
Are you sick?
Don't touch me. Move away. Stay away from me. Move! Wickedness. You're full of wickedness. You're wicked.
Are you for real?
So this is who you are. Chelsea. Hey. Because Mark and I love each other, you want to kill my man. You want to kill my love. Ha! God forbid.
It is good to be good to everyone around you. Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. But so do good to all, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be for my, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in the mako looking up here. It is good to be good. Hey, oh man,
What is it?
I'm worried.
Worried about what?
About our daughters.
What is it about them?
Something wrong is going on between them. Last night, or do I say this morning, because it happened around 1 a.m. While we were sleeping, I heard a noise in the parlor here. I woke up. When I came down, I saw their frame, their picture frame, on the ground, broken. I was pondering over what could have led to that. Immediately, I heard a noise coming from their room. When I went there, I saw both of them almost fighting each other.
So, what did he tell you transpired among them?
Sonia refused to talk. Chelsea was the one that told me that Sonia said she dreamt of where she, Chelsea, tried to kill her friend.
Dream? I don't understand.
Honestly, I'm totally dumbfounded. I don't know what to make out of it. The reason I'm worried.
Well, it's alright. You go fetch them for me now. Okay?
I was told he came to the palace.
Yes, my princess.
So, why didn't you wait for me when you were told I wasn't around?
Actually, I wasn't there to see you. I was there to see your elder sister. She invited me over.
My elder sister? What? I was told you asked of me.
It was a clumsy mistake on my part, and I apologize. I mistook your name for hers.
You mistook my name for hers. How possible could that be?
It's a clumsy mistake. I apologize.
It's fine. Won't your family sit?
Oh, sure. Sorry.
Sit.
Where has she gone to this morning?
Father, I don't know. I was in the room when she left, and she didn't tell me where she was going to.
Okay. Now tell me, did you have any quarrel with her before now?
Yes, Father. We had a little misunderstanding last night, and when she woke up, she attacked me, saying that she had a dream where I want to hurt her friend.
So who is this her friend?
I don't know, Father.
Okay. So this picture frame that got broken to pieces, what do you know about it? I mean, who broke it?
Father, I don't know about it. It was Mother that informed me about it.
Oh.
Yes.
This is so strange.
Honestly, it was strange. But I wouldn't let it go under the carpet. I must get to the root of this.
Alright. Chelsea? Call her on phone. Tell her I need to see her now.
Father, I don't think I'm in the right position to call Sonia. I mean, she might not take my call. Mother should do the calling.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Where are you coming from?
Mom, I don't understand. Am I not permitted to leave the palace whenever I want?
That doesn't answer my question.
I went to see a friend.
Your father has been waiting for you inside.
Greetings, Father.
Where are you coming?
I went to see a friend.
You went to see a friend? Male or female?
Dad, you've never asked me such a question.
There is always a first time. So tell me, male or female?
Male.
Alright. Now tell me, what transpired between you and your sister?
I had a negative dream of her trying to kill my friend.
You had a dream where she attacked your friend, and you took it upon yourself to fight your sister over a dream. Ah, come on.
Dad, dreams are revelations.
Huh. So you don't know that dreams are supposed to be interpreted. So it's revelation, so you just take it verbatim, literally. Now you listen to me. This will be the last time you will ever have any problem with your sister because of this useless dream. Is that understood? Is that understood?
Yes, Father.
Good. Now tell me, what do you know about the broken frame of the photograph?
I know nothing about that.
Whatever the case may be, it must be a serious one.
I'm suspecting he's a man.
A
man?
What you are saying could be true because it's only a man that can make two sisters fight with each other. A man? Man cannot separate me and my sister. Those people that are not trustworthy. Who man help, I beg?
I'm mature no. You have not fell in love before. That is why you're saying rubbish.
I'm in love. Oh. I have a boyfriend. But he cannot separate me and my sister. Who man help, I beg?
Jesse, men have not dealt with you. That's why you're talking like this. The same man that made you separate with your sister will abandon you in broad daylight.
It's okay. The thing is just that we are assuming things. We don't know what the problem is. Let us just wait. All or before tomorrow, we find out what the problem is.
My own prayer is this. May they stop quarrel so it not gonna affect our salary.
It won't affect my own. If you affect our salary, you don't know.
For where?
Oh, please, let's go in.
Sonia, please, I want us to talk. I want you to talk to me as your beloved sister. If there's anything, if there's any issue between us, let's talk about it so we can know how to amend it. Please, you are my only sister and I love you so much. So if there's any way I've offended you, just tell me. I'm ready to apologize to you. Please, I beg you. Just tell me what I've done wrong to you. Sonia, wait.
Get your dirty hands off me. Don't you ever touch me again. Listen, I know who you are. Yes, you're a wolf in sheep clothing. Yes, that's who you are. What's wrong with you? I trusted you. I trusted you. I loved you as my own sister. But what did you do to me? You betrayed me. You backstabbed me just to get what does not belong to you.
Sonia, me, Chelsea, Alex, a backstabber, a betrayer. In order to gain what exactly?
Use your tongue to count your teeth. Then you will know the answer.
How did I get myself in this mess? A mess, I have my life on the line. Yeah. How did I get myself in between the devil and the blues? And now I feel so stuck. Man, again, can't get me no. All I need is to stand by the truth. Man, again, can't get if I'm in your hand. I will only stand by the truth and the truth alone. Yeah.
My princess.
What game are you playing, Mark?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
My sister was here. Am I right?
Yeah, she left a few hours ago.
And what did she tell you?
She said something about me, coming to the palace to see her. I simply corrected the impression. I made the mistake of substituting her name for yours. And that was it. Nothing more.
What do you take me for, Mark? No, really, what do you take me for? You smile before me and stab me in the back, is that it?
God forbid I would do a thing like that.
Listen, I love my sister so much. And I do not want anything that would jeopardize our relationship. Not even you. So please, go on with her.
Princess, my princess. What are you talking about? This is not what it is. I don't understand you at all. What is this about?
Mark, are you in a relationship with my sister?
By the gods of the land, I swear. No, I am not.
You know what? Henceforth, stay away from me.
My princess. My princess. My princess, you are totally...
I can see you're back. You are done with him. Now let me warn you. Stay away from my Mark. The earlier you stay away from him, the better for us. I will not warn you again. And if you keep on going to see him, you will not like my next move.
What happened? Your call was so unusual. Are you okay?
Something is eating me up.
What is eating you up?
Princess Chelsea just left a few minutes ago.
Okay. So this one I love don't enter levels where we say when I go to flex. Like he just visit you go visit her.
Will you just keep quiet? Keep quiet.
Okay. I'm calm now. Okay, what happened?
My sister was here earlier.
Okay.
And she was kind of making advances at me. I mean, I was surprised, but her excuse was that she learned that I visited the palace earlier and I asked after her.
Did you ask after her in the palace?
No, it's not that way. There was a mistake somewhere. I mistook her name for her sister's.
Why am I surprised? You didn't tell me this earlier on.
I didn't know it was going to result to this.
Really?
You needed to see Princess Chelsea. She was mad at me. I mean, she even suggested that I'm having a thing for her sister.
Well, obviously she has to be mad. But what did she say before she left? Did you guys reconcile?
She's instructed that I stay away.
Why are all men the same? Why is it that no one among them is different? Why?
That serves you right. You are giving him food as in what? As Clifford's wife, right? Clifford, excuse me.
My princess, please. Even if our friendship is going to end, I just need to know that you've forgiven me, that you're not mad at me.
Mark, get out of my sight.
Just please. Please, I beg you. Don't be like this, please.
Guard. Guard. Drive the car.
Okay, I'm not saying this to change your mind, but I just want to correct an impression sincerely. Listen. Your sister likes Mark. That I can guarantee here boldly. But the truth is that Mark has nothing to do with it. They are not doing anything.
How sure are you about that?
Okay, Mark is my friend. And I know everything about him. Likewise, he knows everything about me.
Really? You know everything about Mark? So tell me, what did Mark tell you that I am to him?
He said you guys are friends, just friends, and there's nothing going on between the both of you.
Just friends? And that was why you decided to go for my sister?
No. See, no. See, okay, honestly, ask your sister if she can tell you the truth. They're not even friends. Mark is just playing along with her so that he doesn't disobey the princess.
Noni, I still don't want to see Mark. And please, don't come to this palace again. Else, I will ask my guard to punish you. What did you come to the palace to do?
I was there to see you, but I was told you're not around.
I was in, but I didn't want to see you.
My princess, please, I am sorry, okay? Please forgive me. I'm really sorry.
Start the car.
Don't do this. Ask your driver to run me over. But I'm not moving from this spot. Not until you forgive me.
Mark, please, get out of the way.
I will not move an inch.
Listen, Mark. I am not an ordinary maiden in this community. I am the princess of our Amaze community. And it will dent my father's image that his 2 daughters are fighting over a man.
Well, are both of you really fighting over me?
No, we are not. But my sister made it seem so.
I don't even know how I got dragged into all this in the first place. It's really not pleasant.
Talk of the devil.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
Greetings, Mark.
Greetings.
Princess Sonia wants to see you in her car.
I'm not going.
Why? You have to go. Listen to what she has to say.
I really don't care. I don't want to hear what she has to say.
She is a princess, Mark. Go to her.
Chelsea! Chelsea! What's the meaning of this? How dare you? You told him not to come and see me in my car, right?
No, my princess.
Shut up. I wasn't talking to you. Why did you tell him not to see me in my car?
Sonia, what is wrong with you? Have you lost it?
I don't have time for this. You, come with me. I said you should come with me now.
Really? Really? Do you want us to do this? Very well then. Since you want to prove your strength. Mark, please remain where you are.
Mark! Mark! Come with me. And you dare not disobey the princess of Amaze community.
Mark! Talking about princess. I am the crown princess of Amaze community. The first daughter of Igwe Alex, Ejike1 of Amaze community. Mark, like I said, remain where you are.
Whatever. Mark.
Wait, you know what? Just stop. Please. We really don't need to do this. Whatever it is you have to say, you can say it here. We're not hiding anything from each other.
Just keep your mouth shut.
Have you seen it? Have you seen what I've been telling you? I don't want anything to dent my father's reputation.
Welcome, my princess.
You're looking good.
Thank you. You drove yourself. Is everything all right?
Yes, I needed some privacy. And I wanted to spend some time with you. If you don't mind, why don't you just go inside and get dressed? Let's go out.
You want to take me out?
Do you have any problem with that?
No. No, not at all.
Okay. Go inside and get dressed. I'll be waiting for you.
Thank you, my princess, for today. Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. I mean, you're handsome and you deserve the best.
Right. And you look good yourself.
Oh! You're making me go crazy right now.
Yeah, so thanks for taking me out. I really appreciate it. I had a good time. And why don't you sit I'll get to bar for you.
There's no need for that. I need to be heading to the palace right now.
Right.
Maybe some other time. Okay. Take care of yourself.
Bye, sir.
Alright.
I give her room for what's happening now or what? I mean, I was only trying to be a good member of the Ameze community. I didn't want it said that I disobeyed the princess. How am I going to handle this now?
Where are you going to? I thought you were not going to come back. I thought you were going to stay there forever.
Why would I? This is my father's house, so I'm free to return whenever I want.
Now let me warn you for the last time. Stay away from my mark.
Really?
Yes. Wait, you think I'm joking right now, right? Huh? Just let me see you. Okay.
Sonia, you're pushing me to the wall. Get out of my way, let me go.
Shh! Princess Sonia. Call my name with respect, please. I'm not your mate.
Like, seriously? No, wait a minute. If princesses are asked to come out, would you come out? Of course no, baby girl. You know why? This is the real princess. A crown princess of Amaze community. So, can I just go?
You know what? You're very stupid.
What? What did you just say?
You heard me.
No, repeat it again. What did you just say?
You're stupid.
You are mad! You are insane! Listen, I will tolerate anything from you, but not you insulting me. You know why? I am 2 years older than you! Are you mad? Have you lost it?
Did you just lay your hands on me?
And I will do it again.
Are you stupid?
My princess! My princess!
Chelsea! Chelsea! What is going on? Are you stupid? Are you insane? Okay. What is it? Have you no manners? Have you lost it? What stupid act is this? Look at how you disgrace yourself before commoners. You call yourself princess? What is this? I don't want to hear anything from any of you. Now get inside, all of you. Take your stupid selves inside. No sense. And both of you, why are you standing here looking at me? Will you pick your shoes and get it inside? Fools! Assholes! Get out! Come on, we don't get inside! Bring that thing and get inside! That is the way you try to see something to gossip with! Fools! Non-entity.
My life on the line. Yeah. How did I get myself in between the devil and the blues? And now I feel so stuck.
Pamela, how are you doing?
Hello, Sonia. How are you?
I'm fine. I was told you were looking for me.
Yes, I am here to see you because I want us to talk about something very important. Call your maid to get a chair for you.
Okay. Why don't you go to my room and talk about it?
No, we can talk about it here because it concerns both of you.
Well, I will not have any discussion if it concerns this betrayal.
Sonia.
Have you seen it? I told you she wouldn't listen to you, right?
Is there any other thing that happened apart from what you just told me?
Not at all. Just that. My sister is a very stubborn person.
You know what? I'm thinking, let's just give her some time.
Hey, Pamela. Ma, hey, how are you?
Mama, I'm fine. How are you today?
As you can see, I'm okay.
Thank God for life.
Yes, thank God for life.
Mama. I came to see Mark. Is he around?
Mark. No. Mark is not around, and I don't even know where he has gone to. Probably, he might be in his friend's own, Nonny.
Okay, Nonny.
Yes, why don't you check Nonny's place?
Yes. Okay, Mama, please, in case if I didn't see him on my way going there, just tell him I checked on him.
I will surely do that. Chai, Mama. You look so good.
Thank you, Mama.
It's okay. All right, take care of yourself, eh? All right.
Everyone around you, nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. But so do good, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be for my, or your brother do favor for people.
Mark, I was just coming out from your place now.
I went to see Noni.
Okay. There is something very important I want us to talk about.
Okay, do you want us to go back in or talk right here?
No. We can talk about it here if you're comfortable. I'm okay.
It's fine.
Oh, please. I want you to tell me the truth about the question I will ask you now.
Okay.
Are you aware that Princess Chelsea is having issues with her sister because of you?
Look, I cannot say I'm not aware, but what I don't understand is why is everybody on my case? Why is everybody making it about me and making a fuss?
Are you having anything to do with Sonia?
No, I am not. Okay, so listen, this is what happened.
Okay.
On this day, I was on my way to a job interview. She drove past me, stopped and, offered to give me a ride. I hopped in, regular chit-chat. She asked me if I was from this community and I answered correctly. I would admit that, she acted, a bit funny, but that's about it. I intentionally ignored it, paid no mind to it, and that's it. It's no biggie.
So what is wrong with Sonia? Why is she acting up?
She's just fighting her sister over nothing, I can assure you that, because really the
Go!
Give me food.
No food! Talking as if you gave someone money to buy food for you. Give me food. Me too, I am hungry. Give me food.
So,
give me food. Look, the day I will barb this your hair is fast approaching. Get out of my sight. Get out. Leave my presence.
It's okay.
Get out.
You don't have to, talk to him like
I am hungry.
It's okay.
Where is he from, self?
I don't know, probably a neighboring village.
Go.
He shouldn't get you worked up like that.
He should get back to his village. He's tired of raving mad. Can you imagine?
I'll be on my way home. Alright?
Okay, no problem. We'll talk about it later.
Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised.
What is actually going on? There is a cold war between the two princesses.
Hi!
From what I heard today, it's no more a cold war.
I knew it. Immediately after Mark came. Wait. So you mean they are dragging a man? Hey!
It's not like I overheard Princess Chelsea telling the guy that his sister likes him. I heard her said it, but I didn't hear other subsequent things she said. So bad of them to be dragging a man. You don't have to say that. No one, you are yet to hear the main gist. Which other main gist are you waiting to hear? No one knows exactly what the problem is. We are just assuming.
It's true. Sonia should be calming down now.
Her own busybody is too much. You know, shut up. The ones have ear.
So do good, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be for my, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in the Mako looking up you? It is good to be good. Oh, man, Mayana. Oh, man, John and Joyana. It is good to be good. Hey, brother, hey, sister. Don't stop doing good. Yeah. Oh, me for my baby.
Greetings, my princess.
Now tell me, who was that you said her busybody is too much?
I wasn't referring to you, my princess.
Are you stupid? How dare you lie to me?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Now, I won't repeat myself because if you make me do, I will skin you alive. Who was that you said her busybody is too much?
It was you, my princess.
Wow. You called me busybody. You called the princess of Amaze community busybody.
I'm sorry, my princess. I'm so sorry, my princess. Please
You're very stupid. You know what? Come with me. Guards!
Yes, my princess.
Take her. Make sure you punish her severely.
My princess.
Yes, my princess.
My princess, please.
My princess, please. My princess, please. Please, my princess.
Idiot. Fool.
Juliet, come here. What's that noise all about? Who's screaming?
Ma, it's Fina.
Fina, what happened to her? Why is she screaming?
Princess Sonia asked the girls to punish her.
Punish her?
Yes, sir.
What for?
Somebody help me! Stop it!
What is wrong with both of you? What did she do?
I don't know, my princess.
Who asked you to flog her?
Princess Sonia asked us to flog her thoroughly.
Fina, stand up. What did you do to my sister?
I spoke you, Princess Sonia.
You spoke ill of my sister.
It's my princess.
What exactly did you say?
I said she should be coming down for fighting you. That her busybody is too much.
Both of you listen to me. Enough of this. Do not flog her again. Am I understood?
Yes, my princess.
Thank you, my princess.
And you, come here. The next time you will speak ill of my sister, I will do more than this to you.
I won't repeat it again, my princess. Thank you.
Well, move. Move.
Yes, that's true. Are you serious?
Chelsea! 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 What was the meaning of that? Huh? What was the meaning of that?
I'll call you back, please. What was the meaning of what?
How dare you? How dare you release the maid from the guard I asked to punish her?
And how dare you ask the guard to punish the maid? Who gave you that right?
You know, there is something I don't understand in this palace. Why are you crossing my path these days?
Really? It is you that is crossing my path. You asked the guard to punish the maid simply because she said your busybody is too much?
Yes! Why will she say anything like that to me?
Why would she? Is your busybody not actually too much? Or is it because I've been tolerating your bullshit?
Let me warn you. Stay in your lane, let me stay in my lane. I will not warn you again.
The next time you will point this finger at me, I will destroy your face!
How dare you lay your dirty hands on me? How dare you! Really? Yes, I will! Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Yeah. Is that because I've been tolerating your asses?
Chelsea,
Mother,
did you actually hit your sister, slap your sister first?
Yes, Mother. And I will slap her again if she doesn't comport herself.
Why would you do a thing like that? Even if she did something wrong, you should caution her, not slapping her.
Sweetheart, I don't think I agree with you. Chelsea is her elder sister, and she reserves the right to caution her in whatever way she deems fit. Okay?
My king, you are not getting it right here. She has no right to hit her sister, not to talk of slapping her. Ever since I gave birth to her, I have never for once used my hand on her.
And who gives you the right to tell me that I'm not getting things right? How dare you challenge me?
I'm sorry, my king, I'm not challenging you. I'm only stating the obvious.
Mother, did you actually ask what she did that made me slap her?
Good. Now, tell us what happened.
She ordered the guard to punish the maid unnecessarily. Why would she do that? I mean, what gave her the right to do that?
Unnecessarily, you said. A common maid was gossiping with my name, and all you could do was to slap me on top of it.
What did the maid say? And who is the maid?
Fina! Yes!
Really?
She was gossiping with my name, saying my busybody is too much in this palace.
Did she actually say that?
Yes, Mom, she did.
Did you hear that?
Mom, I did not actually slap her because she ordered the guard to punish the maid. No, I slapped her because of the manner she was pointing her fingers to my face. That was why I gave her that slap. And I will do it again.
Now, there is something I'm not getting. What is the problem between two of you? I mean, why this hatred for each other? Why?
Father and Mother, I want to say this before you both. If this girl lay her fingers on me again, I mean, this should be the last she will lay her filthy fingers on me again. Because next, I will make sure she loses one of her eyes. And I'm serious about that.
Father, did you hear her? This girl has lost it. I will lose one of my eyes. By then, your teeth and your nose, they are off already. Father, have you seen it? Have you seen what I've been telling you? This girl lacks respect.
Chelsea, as you can see, she's still a small girl. So, I implore you to please take it easy on her, okay?
Okay, I will try. But please, tell her to stay on her lane. She should avoid me, oh. She should just avoid me.
That is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying in essence is that when you take a look at what we've talked about, you see that as a problem. You know, let me call you back. I'll call you back. I'll call you.
Good day.
Hey, good day. How's it going?
Fine. My name is Chelsea.
Chelsea, nice to meet you. My name is Mark.
Mark, nice to meet you.
Yeah, the pleasure is all mine.
So, Mark, where are you from?
Okay, I see you just went right into it. I'm as a community.
I'm Eziagu.
Oh, wow, you know my place?
Do you know Igwe Alice in Amazing community?
Of course I do. That's my king. And I'm proud.
That is my father.
I had no idea. I am so sorry.
No, it's fine. No, stop it, please. I don't want anybody to know who I am.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, my princess. Forgive me.
The name is Chelsea.
All right. I don't know if I'm allowed to say you look gorgeous.
Thank you. So, what were you doing here?
Nothing really. It's just taking out time to rest, take my calls.
You know, the other day I saw you here. Today, you were here. That was why I walked up to you. Hi.
Hey, hi. My name... Sorry, forgive me. How's it going?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
Nothing really. Relaxing, reading this book.
Why? Because you're bored?
No, I don't know. Maybe I'm bored.
So why are you bored?
You know how boredom is. You know, one can't really help it unless you have what it requires to stop it. I don't know if I'm making any sense.
You're not. Like what?
Come on, do you know what I'm talking about?
Okay, I think I know now. You know what? Let's go to the cafe. Don't worry, bees on me. Let's go. I'm serious, let's go.
So all this happened and you hid it.
I swear, nothing happened.
Nothing happened. But from all you explained, it is obvious that this girl likes you. She loves you.
True. I mean, I love her too, but I was afraid she was going to turn me down.
Turn you down? Turn you down after all you guys have shared together? How is that possible, bro?
That doesn't matter, bro. It means nothing. Besides, I was discouraged by what she told me.
What did she tell you?
Mark, my father wouldn't permit any man to visit me or my sister. So please, allow me to invite you when the time is right. Please.
Guy, you fucked up. You fucked up real good. I am telling you, you fucked up, and it's true. I mean, how else do you want this girl to explain to you that she loves you? What else do you want her to do to prove that she loves you?
You need to calm down, okay? All men are not same. We read things differently. I know that Princess Chelsea likes me. But it was just hard for me to do the needful.
Do the needful? Okay, fine. Tell me, what are you going to do now? Because from the look of things, you have caused a big problem, a war in that family, and it's very obvious.
Well, thank goodness I was just on my own.
Let me tell you this. By the time the king judges this matter, trust me, you might be at the receiving end. And it's not going to be nice. Trust me.
Okay, I know what to do.
What are you going to do this time?
When the time is right.
Can you believe? She told the maids and the guards not to address me as princess in the palace again.
She really did that?
Yes, she did. Ha!
That is unacceptable. I will talk to her. She has to withdraw it.
You don't have to, you know. Let me see them pass me by without bowing to me and addressing me as princess. That day, I will deal with them.
It's okay. Don't get worked up. Okay? It's alright.
It's fine. So, how's Mom?
She's fine. She went to the market.
Okay. You didn't offer me anything.
Forgive my manners. What would you like? I hope I would have what you want.
I want you.
Me?
Yes. We can start by offering me your hand.
Are you?
Good evening, my princess.
Good evening, what's it?
Princess Chelsea asked me to come and check if he's around.
Tell her he's with me. Now get out. Leave now! Leave!
Thank you, my princess.
And what's that look on your face? Wait, don't tell me you're thinking about her.
No. No, not at all.
Okay. So, yeah, baby. You know, you're about to...
She refused to open the door for me. What is wrong with her? I have no idea, my queen. Let me go and find out. Excuse me, Mom. My daughter, what is the problem? Why is your face this way?
Mom, I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. If you're fine, you cannot wear this straight face. You can confide in me.
Mom, I said I'm fine. Please leave my room.
I need to have my space.
You know there is no way I can leave you alone. You're my precious jewel.
Mother, I don't want to sound disrespectful right now. I don't want to sound harsh to you. Please just do me this favor by leaving my room. Please. I want my privacy.
You don't want to?
Go. Please go. Yes. Go. You're handsome.
You're beautiful too, my princess.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I like you.
I like you too. Yeah.
Well, can you?
Greetings, Princess Sonia.
Mama, it shall be well with you.
Thank you. Shall be well with you too. Mark,
Mom.
can I have you for a second? One second.
Please excuse me, my princess.
I hope you don't mind.
Okay.
1 second, please.
What? He said he likes me. Yes, he did. Chelsea, are you sure you'll be able to fight this war?
Did you quarrel with your sister?
No, I did not quarrel with her.
Something is troubling her.
I am definitely not the cause.
Well, I'll find out why.
You said you'll find out?
It is good to be good to everyone around you. Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. But so do good to her, so be nice, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, my princess. I'm sorry. What's in this rubbish? I'm sorry. Are you blind? Are you stupid? Stop! No, stop. This rubbish. Nonsense.
It is good to be good to everyone around you. Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. But so do good to her, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be for my, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you do nothing.
What are you doing here? And why are you crying? Jesus, who poured soup on you?
I did. Yes, I did. I poured her soup. And what will you do about it?
You poured my daughter soup because she came to serve you?
Yes. And if she tries it again, if she tries to pour water on my body again, I will make sure she loses her job.
Child.
Idiot.
Arere. Arere. My daughter is okay. It's okay. Sorry. It's okay. Stop crying, please. It's okay. Remember, it's okay. All these things will be alright one day. Okay? It's okay, please. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay, it's okay. She's here.
Father. She's not in the room.
Where could she possibly be?
I don't know, Father. I also checked outside, but she's not there.
What is wrong with Sonia?
Honestly, I don't know, Mother. But all I know is she needs to be cautioned. I do not like the way she treats the cook's daughter. The other day, she knelt her down in presence of her friend.
She actually did that?
Oh yes, she did. Not just that. She was dragging the poor girl's ear.
God! God!
Your Highness.
Go and look for my daughter Sonia and bring her here immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
To everyone around you, nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. But so do good, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be former, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in the Mako looking up here. It is good to be good.
You don't come here.
Give me food. Give me food. Give me food.
Yeah. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Am I the one that makes you bad?
Give me food.
Give me food.
Give me food. Mad woman, give me food. Give me food.
I said leave my shop. Leave my shop. Leave my shop.
It is good to be good to everyone around you. Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. But so do good, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be former, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in the Mako?
How did you meet my sister?
We were both stationed at the same Jude Corps service camp.
You both are dating, right?
No, we are not, my princess.
So tell me, do you like her?
If I'm being honest, yes I do.
How dare you? How dare you? Gold digger. Rubbish!
Sonia, were you not told that your father is looking for you?
Nobody told me.
Why did you pour soup on Eve?
Father, Mom just said you were looking for me.
Sonia, your sister just asked a question. Why didn't you answer her?
I'm not going to respond to any question coming from her, except you ask.
See, Why did you pour soup on the cook's daughter?
She poured me water.
Liar!
You must be very foolish for calling me that. Are you stupid? Don't you there. But Chelsea, what were you trying to do? Were you trying to lay your hands on me? Yes! You would have slapped me. Then you will regret having me as your sister.
Did you hear her?
What is wrong with both of you? Huh? Now, Sonia, I am going to send for the cook's daughter. And if I discover that you poured soup on her without any justifiable reason, I will punish you severely. Guard! Guard!
Your Honor.
Fetch the cook's daughter for me immediately.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sonia, have you seen how you've reduced your prestige? Judging with a commoner before your father.
Your Honor, she's here.
Don't leave my king. Don't leave my queen.
What did you do to my daughter that made her pour soup on you?
Are you deaf? Can't you talk? Huh? Will you just shut up and allow us speak?
Is it that you didn't hear me the first time or you've chosen to ignore me?
My king, I heard you. The truth is, I mistakenly poured water on her. But I promise it was not intentional.
My enemies are disappointed.
If you're saying the truth, Eve, where did she pour the soup on you?
My queen, I changed already.
It's alright, you may leave.
Thank you, my king.
Now, Sonia, you heard her. It was a mistake. Couldn't you have forgiven her?
Same way she mistakenly poured water on me, same way I poured the soup on her.
Can you imagine?
It's alright. Now I want to ask, what is wrong between both of you? Why are you always at loggerhead? Why this altercation all the time? What's going on?
Father, I have nothing to do with this betrayal of a girl.
If you dare call me one more negative name, I will show you the beast I'm made of. Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Have you forgotten that I'm 2 years older than you?
Lele, look who is 2 years older than me. Are you still talking? What will you do? What will you do?
Will both of you shut up? What is wrong with you? Have you no madness? Look at what you are doing before your father and I. Now tell me, Chelsea, what is going on between both of you?
Mother, as for me, nothing is going on. I don't know what is Sonia's problem. I don't know what is eating her up. She has been rude to me recently. What is your problem? I should what? Did you hear her? Mom, when I was doing my NYC, I met this guy called Mark. We became friends. Even up to this moment, we are still friends. There was a day Sonia came back and she told me that she met a guy called Mark, not knowing that we're talking about the same guy. Ever since my sister here found out that we're talking about the same person, her attitude towards me automatically changed. She has become so rude and so insensitive.
Did you hear what she said, Sonia?
Mother,
the only reason I'll be talking about this is because of the respect I have for you and father. If not, this girl here is ceased to be my sister. Well, like she said, I got back. I told her everything. I told her about this guy. I told her I love this guy. I even told her his name. But Chelsea never told me she knows the same guy. Only for me to go visit this guy. And I saw Chelsea sitting intimately with this guy. She snatched him away from me. She broke my heart. She took my love from me. And because of that, I hate her so much.
Just listen to yourself speak. How am I supposed to know we're talking about the same guy?
Why wouldn't you know? You have been so rude to me because of Adam. Because of your lies.
Shut it!
Look, both of you, I am totally disappointed in you. I mean, royals for that matter, fighting over a commoner. How can you? Hi. Well, if I may ask, who is this man? Is he a native of my kingdom, Amazing Kingdom?
Yes, father. He's from this community. His mother's name is Regina Okafor.
Regina Okafor, living near Amazing Primary School. Yes, mother.
Mommy, she slapped me and walked away, all in the name of royalty.
Honestly, I'm grateful to God. Thank God that he didn't react. Like, if you had reacted, it would have been something else. I don't know. Hey, Leslie, what is even wrong with that?
Oh no, I feel so humiliated.
So, what are you going to do now?
What am I going to ask? My king, the ego of Ame as a community, I greet you.
You are Mark, right?
Yes, my king.
The son of late Ezel Kafo.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. I invited you here to ask you a question, and your life depends on it. Now, you may choose to tell me lies, and that means you are not safe. The question is about my daughters. What is your relationship with them?
My king, I swear by the offer of Ameze Ago that we're just friends. I've had nothing intimate to do with any of your daughters.
Recall that I told you earlier that your answer to my question will determine whether you will be free or you will die. Now, I'm going to ask you again. And if I sense any iota of lie in your answer, I will ask my guards to behead you and feed your body to the vultures. Now, I ask you again, what is your relationship with my daughters?
King, we're just friends. Nothing intimate going on between us. My king, I swear it.
How dare you?
How dare you stand before me and tell me blatant lies?
I dare not lie to you, my king.
Quiet! Guards! Guards!
Your Highness, take this man
to the palace cell and lock him up. And if after 48 hours he refuses to tell me the truth about his relationship with my daughters, I will bury him alive. Take him away. Move.
Father, he's telling the truth. He has nothing to do with both of us.
You've done well, Father.
He has done well.
Where is your friend?
Mama, he was locked up.
He was locked up. Locked up by who?
Well, honestly, I don't know. The king locked him. Eh?
I want him. Yes, I want him to stay away from those girls. He refused. You see?
Mama, listen. I can guarantee you that there is not. He doesn't have anything to do with those girls. They're just friends. So ordinary friends. That is what they have been. Honestly, nothing.
Mama, do not worry yourself. Your son is fine. Let him just say the truth, and the truth shall set him free.
Will you shout out of there? See, let me tell you. I know why I kept quiet. I would have flogged out of this place. How can you come and be interrupting and be talking rubbish? Are you mad? Eh?
You didn't listen to him. You didn't listen to him. You hear what he said? He just said that it is only the truth that can set him free. You didn't hear him? Oh, you don't even know that mad people are spiritual.
I am spiritual.
Give me water.
I
want to drink water.
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 I want to drink
Stop, Mama, allow me to flog this idiot out of here now.
What is wrong with you?
Give me water, madman.
Allow him be.
I want to drink water.
And water he will get.
Water of life. Water of food. Water of everything.
I'm coming.
Water! Give me water. I want to drink water.
How did I get myself in this dream? The devil and the blessing. Now I feel so strong. I know I am innocent and my heart is pure. No strings attached, no evil motive, and I stand by the truth every day and night. No matter what, the truth we always triumph, and I stand by the truth every day and night. No matter what, the truth we always triumph for.
Hey, come here. I want to save you.
Okay. Thank you.
But you have to tell my father we are dating.
What?
Yes. Oh, I can see you're ready to die.
Don't want to die.
Fine. Then tell my father the truth. Tell him we are dating.
Your father said I should tell the truth. And you know what? I am going to stand on the truth no matter the circumstances.
Safe journey to the land of the dead.
I know I am innocent and my heart is pure. No strings attached, no evil motive, and I'll stand by the truth every day and night. No matter what, the truth we always triumph, and I'll stand by the truth every day and night. No matter what, the truth we always triumph. Man, I give me all I need is to stand by the truth. Man, I can't get back in your hand. I will only stand by the truth and the truth alone. This mess, a mess. I have my life on the line. Yeah, how did I get myself in between the devil and the blues? And now I feel so stuck. Man, I can't get me no ear. All I need is to stand by the truth. Man, I can't get back in your hand. I will only stand by the truth and the truth alone. I know I am innocent and my heart is pure. No strings attached, no evil motive, and I'll stand by the truth every day and night. No matter what, the truth we...
Excuse me. Please, you have to be fast with whatever you want to say. I don't think I'm supposed to be seen here with you.
Alright, are you from this community? Do you know my mother? Regina Ezeokafo.
Okay, what about her?
Please, I need you to help me deliver a message to her.
What message?
Tell her that I said I'm sorry. I'm very sorry for not listening and obeying her. Also tell her not to come to the evil forest and intend to bury me alive tomorrow. And tell her to deliver the message to Nolly.
Okay, just that?
Yes, please do not forget to deliver the message, please.
Okay, I'll try.
I know I am innocent and my heart is pure. No strings attached, no evil motive, and I'll stand by the truth every day and night. No matter what, the truth we always triumph, and I'll stand by the truth.
I really feel for this guy. I feel for him. But wait though. Why was I the one he had to send such a message? Why? Could it be that he's planning to curse the day he will be buried alive? I really feel for him. I wish I can help. I really wish there's anything I can do.
Mama, what is it? Why are you crying like this? Why are you sitting here all alone crying? What is it? What happened? Are you okay?
Someone from the palace just left right now.
Mama, okay, no, calm down, calm down. Who is this person, he or she, and what did the person tell you?
She said Mark sent her to tell me not to come to the evil forest where he'll be buried alive tomorrow. Nonny! Are they saying that my son will be buried alive? Are they saying that the king unless we bury my son for doing for nothing? Bury him for something he knows nothing about.
It's okay, just calm down. Mama, listen to me. You know me very well. You know me very well.
Yes.
When I say something, I do it. I swear. I swear, I will make sure that Mark is not buried alive. I promise you that. Just calm down. Calm down.
No, that will not happen. Except the king is ready to bury both of us.
Mama, is a poor. What has Mark gotten himself into? What has Mark gotten himself into? What is this here? Mama, calm down. Don't go anywhere. You might go there now and you say something that the king is going to get so angry and he might even lose it and do something worse. So just calm down, please, calm down. Just reason and find the way we can solve this matter. You're not supposed to go there at all. Calm down first, because I know you're very angry. Relax.
Wait, leave me alone. You are talking nonsense. I am going to get my son and I'm not coming back without my son.
Mama!
Is it possible that after 48 hours, if that young man does not speak the truth, he will be buried alive, as the king said? Gods of our land, I'm afraid, because the king's words are irreversible.
So this is who you are. You came into my life to take my life.
Mark, can you please just stop? Stop saying all these hurtful words to me. I am here so we can put heads together.
I'm about to die. And you're talking about putting heads together? Really? I will be buried alive tomorrow. Okay, let's hear it. Let's put our heads together and see what happens.
Mark, listen, I just...
That's my mother's voice.
Your mother's voice?
That's my mother's voice.
Are you sure?
Yes, that's my mother's voice.
Where is my son?
Mama, your son is inside. He's okay.
Princess, don't tell me my son is okay. I need to meet my son. Please tell your father to release my son.
Mama, I'm trying to talk to my father, okay? Just calm down. He will release your son.
Princess, I can't calm down. I can't calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I need to go out with my son.
Mama, please. Just relax. Nothing will happen to your son. I'm still talking to my father. Okay?
Princess, I beg you, because I don't talk to your father to release my son. I beg you.
Mama.
I beg you, please.
Mama, stop crying. Mama, stop crying.
Okay.
My father will release your son.
Please.
I promise you.
It's not me.
Just
all
go.
I have.
Mama, I don't want father to meet you here.
It's all I have.
Mama, listen. I'm hearing you. If my father meets you here, it will worsen your situation. So please just go. You came with her, right?
Yes.
Okay, please just take her home, okay?
I heard you, but calm down. But why don't you go and tell the king by ourselves that maybe when he sees her like this,
yes,
he will listen to her.
He may listen to us. No, it will worsen the whole thing. Please, just go. I will handle it. I will talk to my father. Please, just take her home, Mama. Please, I don't want him to meet you here. Please,
Mama,
you handle it. I will.
Mama.
Are you sure you handle it?
Mama, wait.
Please.
Please talk to your father, please. I beg you.
Mama, wait.
Okay.
I got to talk to the king.
No, you cannot. I will talk to my father. Don't worry. Hey, Mama, Mark is okay.
Mess, I have my life on the line. Yeah. How did I get myself in between the devil and the blues? And now I feel so stuck. Man, I can't get me all I need is to stand by the truth.
Why are you looking weird? What is going on?
Pamela, my father is about to make the wrong decision.
Wrong decision? Didn't you speak with Romeo like you said?
His number wasn't connecting.
So, what is your mother saying about it?
She said she cannot stop him.
But what exactly did your father want from him? To say the truth about what?
The truth about the relationship he has with his 2 daughters.
Then the matter lies in your hands. Tell your father the truth about the whole thing. After all, Mark has nothing to do with you both.
Tried. You think I've not done that? I've tried several. My father wouldn't listen to me. He said I'm just trying to let the boy go. And my sister Sonia is not even helping issues here.
Hey, can I speak with your father? Maybe he can change his mind.
I doubt. He's so angry with Mark. You know that feeling of a man that is having an affair with his 2 daughters?
I know. I understand. Honestly, it's somehow.
How did I get myself in this mess? A mess, I have my life on the line. Yeah. How did I get myself in between the devil and the blues? And now I feel so stuck.
I pray that this thing ends well because I can't stand seeing this young man being buried alive. He can't too.
Did you see how his poor mother was shouting and crying when she came?
Yes. Talking about the poor mother. What about the sudden change of character for our king? In the history of Umu is a kingdom, I've never seen anybody or heard that they buried somebody alive.
It's so bad if this thing starts from his own regime. It is so bad. God, I pray that you change the heart of our king. I pray too. I pray.
What is going on there? Huh? Fools! Is that a place of work? Shut up! Huh? Are you mad?
Princess.
If you know what is good for you, on the news now.
We are sorry, my princess.
Raise your hands up! Useless fools! Raise your heads properly! Don't allow me to come there!
We are sorry, my princess.
Gossip! That's all you all know how to do in this palace! Gossip up and down!
I hate this Sonia.
I hate her so much.
I'm going to run away from this palace if this thing eventually happens. Me, I no deal. I don't go.
Princess Jessie is very calm.
Shh!
I hate her.
They might take this.
I prefer Princess Jessie. Sonia, she's harmless. Harmless.
Mark.
You're here.
Yes. How are you doing?
It's funny that you asked that question. How do you think? I mean, is it that nobody can talk to the king? Or is it that everybody is just resigned to the fact that I'm going to die soon?
Mark, you will not die. The truth shall prevail.
Truth shall prevail. I will not die. I'm the one stuck here. And you're talking about me not dying based on what truth? What truth is going to prevail? I mean, it's tomorrow. It's literally tomorrow, and tomorrow is around the corner. When? When will this truth prevail?
I strongly believe that nothing will happen to you. Miracle can still happen even as we speak.
So my entire survival is hanging on the thread of a miracle happening. Can you see how that sounds? Really? A miracle?
Mark, please. It's okay. Stop crying. Nothing will happen to you.
Yeah, nothing will happen to me. I have sent for Chelsea. Not fewer than twice. And she's yet to show up. Why? Does that imply that she's resigned to the fact that I'm going to die? Isn't that what it means?
You are not going to die. Stop saying this. You know what? Let me check on Chelsea. I'll be right back, okay?
I get myself in this mess. A mess, I have my life on the line. Yeah. How did I get myself in between the devil and the blues?
Your Majesty, I want to plead on behalf of that young man. Kindly consider a lot of things. That young man is the only child, the only son of his parents. Moreover, his father is late. Yeah, please kindly consider. I'm just pleading.
No. Your Majesty. You are my deputy as the traditional Prime Minister of this kingdom. So ordinarily, I would oblige your plea. But this issue is a very sensitive one. Therefore, I will only listen to you on one condition. One condition only.
I am relieved. Your Majesty, as long as I would want you to be precise. What condition do you want me to meet, if I may ask?
Tell the young man to say the truth.
I heard you, Your Majesty, but please don't be offended. The young man told me confidently that he has spoken the truth, that he has nothing left. That is true, as far as that matter is concerned.
Oh no, he has not. He has not spoken the truth. Ask the young man to tell you the truth about his relationship with my daughters. Else, I will bury him alive.
How did I get myself in this mess? A mess, I have my life on the line. Yeah. How did I get myself in between the devil and the blues? And now I feel so stuck. Malagini can't get me no ear. All I need is to stand by the truth. Man, I can't get me from where in your heart. I will only stand by the truth and the truth alone. Yeah.
The king is damn serious. Very, very serious. And he said, only one thing will set you free. And that thing is nothing but the truth.
So I'm just supposed to admit having something to do with his daughters to save my life? When clearly we have nothing. I haven't slept with any of his daughters. We're just friends. In fact, I am friends with just one, not the two of them.
Can you see how stupid you are?
Huh?
Denying in front of the Prime Minister of our music community that you have nothing to do with any of us. Huh?
Sonia, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Are we in a relationship?
You should ask yourself that question. Why are you doing this to yourself? Wait, didn't you say you like me? Didn't you? So why are you lying? Can't you say the truth? Tell my father you're my boyfriend and save yourself from all this unnecessary stress. What is wrong with you? Listen, if you don't do that, in less than 10 hours you'll be gone. I mean, you'll be dead.
Mark!
No.
You heard what she said? What about Ihuefi? You heard what she said before you. Honestly, I am totally disappointed in you. Totally disappointed.
What exactly do you want from me?
I want you. Yes, Mark, I want you. Tell my father you're my boyfriend. Just say him the truth. What's wrong with you? Why are you so foolish? Huh?
How did I get myself in this mess? I don't know. A mess, I have my life on the line. Yeah. How did I get myself in between the devil and the blues? And now I feel so stuck. Man, I can't get me no ear. All I need is to stand by the truth. Man, I can't get from I will only stand by the truth and the truth alone. Yeah. I know I am innocent. My heart is pure. No strings attached. No evil motive.
Regina.
No.
Sitting here and crying is not the solution. At this point in time, all you need to do is to start saying prayers for your son to be saved. Not shedding tears.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I've said all kinds of prayer that I know how to say. I've cried out to God to save my only child. Oh no, look at me now. Oh no, we're a poor widow like me. No husband, nobody, my only son. Oh no.
Oh no.
Were you able to see the king? Were you able to talk to the king?
Yes.
Good.
I was able to see the king.
Okay. So
I met with the king, man. I didn't know what happened. It looks as if nothing is coming out of the breadfruit.
Hey.
which we are actually
Hey.
pressing.
Hey. Oh no. Oh no.
But the thing is, can I ask you a very simple question?
Oh no, what is it?
Good.
Oh no, ask me what is it?
Were you not aware that all these things were happening? I mean, Caribbean. Mbokene atolim uraku ufu. Kinechezi mbo obaku no nwe follow. Wejubi isiyoku. No, I mean, where were you when the rat was actually picking your palm kernels one after the other?
No.
Were you waiting until the whole of them get lost?
No, not at all.
You wake up?
Not at all. No, not at all.
Are you saying you are not aware that your son, Mark, was actually dating two princesses at the same time?
I want him. I want him severally, but he told me that nothing is going on between two of them, or that he's not having anything to do with them. Mark, what is wrong with you? What is going on? Are you aware that you are dealing with royalty?
I'm aware.
Hi, Mark. Do you know that whatever you do with other women in this village, that you can go scot-free but not with royalty?
I'm aware, but why are you saying all this?
Mark, I am saying this because of what is going on between you and the princess. What is happening? What is going on?
Mama, there's nothing going on. We're just friends.
Mark, the younger one is not seeing it like that. She's not seeing it like that. See, if you must marry any of them, just choose one of them. Choose one of them and avoid trouble.
Mama, there's nothing going on. It's nothing.
Nothing?
It's nothing.
You are very sure, Mark.
Listen.
Mark! Mark! I saw it coming though. It's not as if I didn't see it though. I saw it coming, but Mark wouldn't listen to me. Mark Kwanomonti. Mark Kwanomonti. Mark Kwanomonti. Agwakwalomi, agwajukwalomi, ajunani.
Mark Kwanomonti. You spoke to him, he wouldn't listen to you.
Yes.
I went to Nantiano, we believe in Nantia. Now, in the house, it's going to land. Listen, Regina, one of the princesses courageously spoke to Mark, said it to his face, before me.
Okay.
That truly, there was something going on between them. And that he just have to accept the fact before the king. That will bring the whole drama to an end. But what baffled me is that Mark, your son, couldn't say a word, could not utter a word anymore.
Nani, please. Oh no, please. Nani, I beg you, please, let nothing happen to my son. Please, let nothing happen to my son. Nani, please save my son for me. Please, I beg you. I beg you, please save my son.
Listen.
I'm telling you.
Nothing will happen to your son. It's a promise for me.
Okay.
I promise you.
Okay.
And nothing will happen to your son.
Okay. Dalu so, dalu.
Man, I get on to. I can't go nanga no ibanaba.
Okay.
That is when wrestling becomes tough, the legs become the target.
Target.
I can be well.
Okay.
Well, when what I hate you, use what you have to get what you want. I've been saying this thing for a long time. I have been telling you about okay. Do you understand?
Nai, whatever you want. Nai, provided you bring back my son for me, whatever you want, whichever way you want to have me, just take.
No, you will not be here. All I need is my son. All I need is my son. Please help me. Okay.
All I need is my son.
Yes.
He told me he couldn't listen. Okay, there is no problem. When I about want to maintain, we believe in anti but at the end of the day, I want to tell you this.
Okay.
This matter is closed.
Hey.
Well, why you? See, you have finally come to agree. Yes. Very simple something.
Yes.
Count on me.
Okay.
I'm telling you, he's so cute, he's tall, he's dark in complexion. Yes! And guess what? It's from my village. I'm Eziago, of course. Yes. I wouldn't mind, trust me. Why not? If he asks me out, yes. No, I'm the prince. I'll call you back. Hi.
Hey. Hi, princess. What?
My instincts never lie. Besides, this is your usual spot.
Okay. You know what? How about we take a walk?
Why?
I mean, let's do something different. Let's go.
No, I want to stay here.
Come, let's
No,
go.
I want to stay here.
Really? Come
No.
here. Sorry, I need to take this. Hello? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend.
Thank you. How come you remember my birthday?
I mean, I don't know.
Do you know I forgot that today is actually my birthday?
Really now?
Yes, I did.
Oh, please.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Sorry I couldn't do more. Just hope you enjoyed the drink.
No, this is okay. This is everything. Okay? You know what? Let's go somewhere we can sit and open this.
Alright.
Okay. How come you remember my birthday?
Let's just... So 2 more glorious years, 2 success, 2 more people motivated. So it's happy 57.
Are we dating? He cared for me. He celebrated me like no man has ever done. I had peace with him while we were in camp. But he didn't say the word. What if he did? Would I have replied? I'm a woman. I don't know. I don't know. Sonia. Sonia, there's something I want us to talk about. It's about Mark. Sonia, please, let's do something about it. Let's put our differences aside and help this young man. His survival lies in our hands. Let's not neglect him. If anything happens to him, I don't think we will forgive ourselves for the rest of our lives. My sister, I beg you.
My beautiful daughters, I'm here as your mother for us to discuss, to talk privately. I want you to confide in me. Let me know what the problem is so we can settle this before it becomes worse. Please.
I have said this before and I'm going to say it again. The problem is, tell your daughter to stay away from my ma. Yes, I met Mark first before he traveled to that NYSC where he met Chelsea. Please, tell her to leave Mark for me.
Will you just shut up?
I met him first. Did you just ask me to shut up?
Yes, I did.
You shut up.
Why are you lying? Mommy, don't mind her. She actually met Mark after our youth service. By then, Mark and I have started getting along.
What a lie.
It's very shameful and unheard of that two sisters will be fighting, dragging one man. Not only sisters, royal blood, for that matter.
Mother, you know I'm a very calm person. I love staying in my lane. I don't like looking for trouble. I'm very gentle. Mom, you know I'm your precious daughter and I don't like looking for trouble. Mom, you know me now. I'm not a troublemaker. So please, tell this your daughter, this snatcher, this boyfriend snatcher, to leave my man alone. Hey, Mark is my man. I love him so much and he loves me too. She wants to scatter the beautiful relationship we've built together. Huh? Leave my man alone!
Your man?
Yes!
Did you just say your man? Like seriously?
Will you put
how you see your man?
Oh!
Chelsea,
Mother,
I purposely asked your sister to excuse us because you're the eldest sister. You understand things, more things about womanhood.
Please. Please, my daughter. Let peace reign.
By letting peace reign, you mean leaving Mark for my sister? Is that what you mean? Never, mother. It will not happen. It's not possible.
Chelsea, your sister said she have already met Mark before you traveled.
Mother, she is lying. It's not obvious. You don't know what Sonia can do anymore. She's definitely lying. Okay? But you know what? I have seen that my sister is ready to fight. Very well then. Let's fight and know who will win. Because as for me, I am not giving up on Mark.
My beautiful daughter, you know I love and cherish you a lot. I want us to have this one-on-one talk. Chelsea is your elder sister.
And so? So because she's my elder sister, she sacrificed my happiness for her? Mom, yes. Mark is my happiness.
You have to calm down. I did not say you should sacrifice your happiness for her. Remember, she met the guy before you.
Mom, that's a big lie. You and I know she's lying. I met Mark before her. Mother, she's your daughter, so please talk to her. I cannot trade Mark for anything on earth.
Sonia,
do both of you know the daughters of whom you are? That you are the princesses of this land. What is wrong with both of you?
Mom, we know who we are. If she wants us to sell ourselves, then I'm ready. Let's see who sells who. I want to tell you today, Mark is my happiness. Like I said, I cannot trade him for anything on earth.
Sweetheart. Why are you standing like this? What's the problem?
I'm confused.
Confused about what?
About who is telling the truth. Our daughters or the young man.
Sweetheart, I don't think you should bother yourself about that anymore. I have made my decision. I mean, how dare him? How dare him toy with the emotions of my daughters? How dare him? That young man should count himself lucky that there is no bigger punishment than being buried alive. I would have meted out on him. Anyway, my mind is made up and that is final.
I don't care. Mark is mine or nothing. It's either I have him or both of us lose him. This fight you're looking for, Chelsea, we will fight it till the end. Let's see who wins. Nonsense. Can you imagine saying I'm not a princess? We shall see who is the princess. Indiala.
I gave you 48 hours to speak the truth. But up till now, you speak nothing but balderdash. Now, I will give you another chance
to speak the truth. I am therefore giving you 2 minutes to speak up, else I'll be left with no option but to bury you alive. Speak!
My king, Your Highness. When I was brought here at first, you said to me that the truth and only the truth will set me free. Your Highness, I stand on my truth. I have had nothing intimate to do with both your daughters.
Liar! Dad, this fool is lying.
Quiet! Sonia.
Dad?
I want to ask you a question. And your answer to that question will determine what I would do to this young man. From the first day I interviewed him, I knew he was a blatant liar. He lied to the whole of Mercy Kingdom. Now tell me, Sonia, what do you want me to do to him?
Well, Dad, you know how people hate when an adult lies against the princess of Mercy community. And because he has lied against me, I want him to be buried alive.
You said, please, you cannot kill my son. You cannot kill my son.
Chelsea. Now tell me, I am interested in knowing your opinion. What do you want me to do to this young man?
Father, like I told you, Mark has nothing to do with us. My sister and I are just his friends. I don't know why Sonia hates him so much, Father. I know that your words are law. But please, Father, I beg you, temper justice with mercy. You can give him any punishment. You can even banish him from this community, Father. But please, spare his life. Father, if you love me, you will spare this young man's life.
Dad, don't listen to her.
Quiet! Now, this is my judgment. Guards! Untie him. Chelsea, step forward.
Please.
Mark, right? That's your name.
That's right.
I hereby betroth my daughter to you.
Sorry, Your Highness. Sorry, Your Highness.
No, Daddy. Dad! Please!
Sonia,
Dad?
henceforth, I implore you to embrace peace with both of them. Right from the first day I interviewed this young man, I knew he was saying the truth. I did what I did because I wanted to find out who amongst two of you actually loves him. And now, the truth has revealed itself. So like I said, Sonia, I want you to embrace peace with them henceforth, or I'll be forced to make a pronouncement on you. I have spoken.
Tomorrow is not promised, so do good, do all. So be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister, make me for my for your brother, do favor for people. Don't you relent, mama, go all looking at. It is good to be
No. So the dream I had has turned out against me. No, this can't be happening. This can't be happening. He's meant to be mine. He's meant to be mine.
Chelsea, my sister. Right now I feel so ashamed kneeling before you. But please, if not for anything, but because of the blood we share, forgive me. I acted the way I did because of the dream I had. I thought you wanted to take Mark away from me. I thought you wanted to snatch him away from me. I thought I met him first and you wanted to just use because you're my senior sister and take away the man I love. But right now I know I thought wrong. I was so foolish and acting out of childishness. Please, I'm sorry. I will not do it again.
Stand up. You are my only sister, Sonia. And I love you so much. I can never say no to your apology. So I forgive you. Thank you.
One more thing. One more thing. I don't know how it's going to sound, but I want to see Mark.
Okay. I will take you to him.
I miss you.
I miss you. I miss this closeness.
Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. So do good, do all. So be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister, maybe for my or your brother, do favor for people. Don't you relent in the mako looking up you. It is good to be good. Oh, mama,
How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Mora, you look great.
Thank you.
So what's going on?
Guess what?
What? You know I'm bad at guessing.
Okay. I have reconciled with my sister.
Yeah, great. Good for two of you.
My love, don't give me that look. Please, you really have to forgive her, okay? For my sake.
Look, that's not going to happen. She wanted me dead. Thank goodness your father handled everything with wisdom.
My love, I understand. But listen, everything happens for a reason. Okay? If that didn't happen, maybe you wouldn't have been this close today, you know? So please, you have to forgive her, okay?
No, that's not going to happen.
Baby, please, for my sake. I have another surprise.
What is it?
And someone is here to see you.
I don't want to see you.
Please.
No, I don't want
My
to.
God, you love me, right? Please, for my sake.
Mark, I'm deeply sorry. I know I offended you. I wanted you dead. But you know, anyone God doesn't want dead will not die. Though my father's intentions were different, but what if it was the truth? Please forgive me. I'm deeply sorry. At least, if not for anything, the love you have for my sister. I know, please forgive her. She's sorry.
You wanted me dead. What if I actually died? What if I was buried alive? Did you think about that?
My love, please. Please forgive her. For my sake. Oh, okay, you want me to kneel too?
No.
Please. I'm sorry.
You are a princess of our Mercy community and you shouldn't be kneeling for anyone. Get up. I forgive you.
Thank you.
Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. But so do good, do so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be former, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in the Mako looking up you? It is good to be good.
Chelsea, of course.
Chelsea?
Yes.
Oh, really? Oh, give her the phone, give her the phone.
Yeah. My own brother.
My married sister.
I'm not yet married.
I know. Wow, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations, girl.
Thank you.
So tell me, who is the lucky guy?
His name is Mark. He's the son of late Ezel Carfor.
Man. Oh, the guy you told me you met on your NYC camp?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's great. I'm so happy for you. So when is the date?
Well, we are planning on doing it on the 27th of this month.
27, yeah. I think I should be back to the country by then.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah!
I wanted to make that a surprise, but I think you got me now.
Please come, please. I can't wait to see you.
For sure, I will be back there. I can miss my sister's wedding.
Thank you.
Where's Mom?
Can I speak to my son, please?
Oh, okay. Wow, look at you. You are looking good.
You're looking good, mother. Look at you. You're not getting any older, man.
How you know me that this is the only lady that will be old without growing old? You know I can rap like you know that? Oh my God. So how's life treating you over there? Can see that. Can see that you are shining. Oh my God.
Where's my dad? Where's my nigga?
Oh, see your nigga here. See your nigga here.
How you doing, son? I'm good, Pops. Good, Pops. How you doing, sir? Hey, have you eaten?
Oh.
Now you want salad? I have not eaten. I want to eat. I want to eat. Really? I want to eat. So why are you going to eat it now? Like I told Chelsea, I'll be in the country before I wedding. That'll be great. That'll be great. I'm looking forward to seeing ya. I'll be out in the country before Chelsea's wedding.
Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. But so do good to her, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be former, or your brother do favor for people. Don't you relent in the Mako looking up
What is it? Hey! Clifford!
God!
Clifford!
Allow him.
Do this thing. What are you doing here? Clifford, what are you doing here?
You again?
Clifford,
you are so stubborn.
This is not Clifford the madman.
Then who are you?
I am Prince of Amazing Kingdom.
Baby!
I am sorry, Father, I had to do this. I had to disguise myself just to know the true people of this community. Everyone in this community failed me, except my father, the king, and my sister, Princess Chelsea. And to this lovely lady standing here, Eve and her mother, I want to say thank you for all the love and care you showed to me. And to you, Pamela, I am so disappointed. You had the opportunity to feed the less privileged, but you didn't. I know how you come to this royal home to take foodstuffs and money every month, yet you could not lend a helping hand to the less privileged. How could you? So, like I said, my next trip to Dubai, we're going to visit Israel's home. Yeah, I made reservations there so that we'll get booked in time. Alright?
Okay. Here is it, my friend.
Okay. Call the guards to get this to the car. Alright?
Okay, my friend. Oh, baby. Thank you so much.
Oh, come on. It's nothing, okay? You will soon be my wife.
Of course.
So you deserve everything.
Thank you so much for all you have been doing for me.
Oh, come on, Pamela, don't even start.
I love you so much.
I'm just being the right man for you, that's all.
Thank you so much.
Alright, oh, come on. God! I will come back to you. And to you, Chukwuma, and your wife. I personally asked both of you to come here today. I I wish I can strangle you with my bare hands. You! How can you be this wicked? I remember the day you came to this palace, crying and begging before my father, the king, for beating your wife. I stood by you. The business you own today, I personally opened that business for you. Mr. Chukuma, I sent for you. You see, after what I heard about you and your wife fighting over money in the palace the other day, I am not happy with you. Beating your wife is not the right thing to do. As a man, you and I know it's a taboo in this community for a man to lay his hands on his wife. I will not want such thing to repeat again.
I'm sorry, my prince.
It's okay. Your wife said she has nothing doing at the moment. Is that true?
Yes, my prince.
Well, it's okay. I have already made up my mind to help you and your family. My parents are not aware I'm doing this. I am doing it from my heart. Okay? I will give you 2 million naira to start up a business.
Yes, Lord. Thank you, my prince.
It's okay. You don't need to kneel down. Okay? Stand up. Okay? I'll make the check available for you right now. Okay? On that day, you left this palace with foodstuffs. And my father gave you 50,000 naira. I personally came to you and gave you 2 million naira that opened that shop you are running today. But just because of a common loaf of bread, what did you not do to me? You beat pop out of me every day. You couldn't feed me, a helpless beggar. I swear I regret doing all those things for you. Now hand over the key to that shop back to me. Give it to me. Father, permit me to ask this madman and the wife out of this palace.
Guards, send them out of my palace immediately.
Eve and your mother, come forward. Come. From today henceforth, you are the owner of a shop. Do whatever you wish with the shop.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Your Highness, thank you.
And to you, Princess Sonia, I am so disappointed in you, Princess Sonia. Remnants that you will not eat, that you will not even feed the dogs in this palace, yet you couldn't spare to a common madman. How can you be this wicked? And to you, Mark, and your mother, I want to say a very big thank you. Even at first you were trying to be stubborn, but you were friendly. Thank you both for taking me in when everyone disappointed me. You fed me. You gave me every love I wanted. God bless you too.
You're welcome.
I am also happy to hear that you are getting married to my sister, Princess Chelsea. Father, I want to say sorry for all this embarrassment. I didn't do it intentionally. And again, I want to take permission from you to propose to the love of my life. The woman I want to live the rest of my life with. Pamela.
Oh my love.
I want to say thank you for standing by me all this while.
You're welcome, my love. I have missed you so much.
Eve. Marry me. Make me a proud prince. Be the mother of my kids.
No.
Do not say no, please.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Father, bless us.
By the gods of Amazing Kingdom, I hereby bless this union.
Oh yes, oh yes,
Mama!
Thank you very much.
Don't you relent in the Mako looking up here? It is good to be good. Oh, man, oh, man, John and Joyanna. It is good to be good. Hey, brother, hey, sister, don't stop doing good. Yeah, oh, me for my baby. Don't you relent, Maka ukwa looking up, yeah. Hey, yo. It is good to be good to everyone around you. Nobody knows tomorrow, and tomorrow is not promised. So do good, so be nice, yeah. Cause you don't know when your savior comes your way. Sister may be former, or your brother do favor for people now. Don't you relent in the Mako looking up here? It is good to be good. Hey, oh, man,